मैले उसलाई सहयोग गर्नुपर्ने कुनै कारण छैन। There is no reason why I should help him. There is no reason why I should help him. हामी काठमाडौँमा बस्छौं। We live in Kathmandu. We live in Kathmandu. हामी त्यहाँ पुग्दा पार्टी सुरु भइसकेको थियो अथवा भोज सुरु भइसकेको थियो। When we reached there, the party had started. When we reached there, the party had started. ऊ नेपालबाट आएको हो। He has come from Nepal. He has come from Nepal. भारतको जनसंख्या नेपालको भन्दा धेरै छ। The population of India is larger than that of Nepal. The population of India is larger than that of Nepal. यसमा तपाईले larger than that of भन्ने यो एक टुक्रा याद गर्नु होला। यो एक टुक्रा याद भयो भने तपाईले अरु सेन्टेन्सहरु बनाउनको लागि पनि सजिलो हुन्छ। तिमी चिसोले काँपिरहेका छौ। You are shivering with cold. You are shivering with cold. यसमा तपाईले shivering भन्ने वर्ड याद गर्नु होला। के तपाई मेरो भाइलाई जान दिनुहुन्छ? Will you let my brother go? Will you let my brother go? मेरो विचारमा नेपाल विश्वकै उत्कृष्ट देशमध्ये एक हो। From my point of view, Nepal is one of the best countries in the world. From my point of view, Nepal is one of the best countries in the world. यसमा तपाईले from my point of view यो याद गर्नु होला। अनि त्यसपछि नेपाल is one of the best country हुँदैन कि नेपाल is one of the best countries in the world हुन्छ। यसमा country हुँदैन countries हुन्छ। भगवान माथि भरोसा गर, दुर्भाग्य टर्नेछ। Have faith in God, misfortune will pass. Have faith in God, misfortune will pass. यसमा तपाईले misfortune भन्ने वर्ड याद राख्नु होला। भगवानको यही इच्छा थियो। It was God's will. It was God's will. भाग्यमा लेखेको कसले मेट्न सक्छ? Who can fight against faith? Who can fight against faith? धेरै अथवा बडो अफसोसको कुरा हो भन्नु पर्यो भने It's a pity. It's a pity. मेरो पछाडि को उभिएको थियो? Who was standing behind me? Who was standing behind me? म कसरी संग्रहालयमा पुग्न सक्छु? How can I get to the museum? How can I get to the museum? त्यहाँ भवन निर्माण भइसकेको छ। A building has been constructed there. A building has been constructed there. यसमा तपाईले constructed भन्ने word याद राख्नुहोला. ओछ्यान लगाइदेऊ. Make the bed. Make the bed. तन्ना बिछाइदेऊ. Spread the bed sheet. Spread the bed sheet. खाटमा तन्ना बिछाइदेऊ. Spread the sheet on the bed. Spread the sheet on the bed. सुन्तलाको बोक्रा छडाउनुस्. Peel off the orange. Peel off the orange. यसमा peel off भन्ने याद राख्नुहोला. कुनै न्यूज च्यानल लगाउनुस्. Tune into some news channel. Tune into some news channel. Nepal television लगाउनुस्. Tune into Nepal television. Tune into Nepal television. लुगा सुकाइदेऊ. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. उनी उदास देखिन्छिन्. She seems sad. She seems sad. त्यहाँ पुग्न कति समय लाग्छ? How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? 5 वटा जन्मका बावजुद उनले कहिल्यै छोरी जन्माइनन्. Despite 5 births, she never had a baby girl. Despite 5 births, she never had a baby girl. यसमा तपाईले despite भन्ने वर्ड याद गर्नुहोला. त्यस्तै गरी 5 births भन्ने वर्डहरु र त्यस्तै गरी baby girl यो पनि याद गर्नुहोला. ऊ तिमी भन्दा कान्छो वा जेठो हो? Is he younger or older than you? Is he younger or older than you?